welcome back to another video. In this video we will be taking a look at how you can trade, you can buy sell crypto by using pancake swap. So basically this is a decentralized application or exchange that unlikely which runs on the Ethereum network. Pancakes basically that operates on the Binance Smart Chain, and the latter in the creation of Binance, which offers much better transaction throughout any needable levels on the transaction fees. So basically it's the largest decentralized application used for buying, selling. You can trade, you can swap by using this platform, the pancake swap. So we're gonna go ahead and get over here. First, all you have to do is to go on Google and go type on pancake swap. Once you do, this is officially landing page interface of pancake swap. You will see over here the moon is made of pancakes. Trade, earn, and win crypto on the most popular decentralized platform in the galaxy. Okay, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna scroll it down. You can see used by million, trusted with billion. That's great. Pancakes have the most user of any decentralized platform ever, and those are now entering the platform with over 3.7 billion in funds. You have to join this team by using the 2 million user in the last 30 days. That sounds great. And 55 million trades made in the last 30 days, and a total blockchain of 3.7 billion. 3.7 billion, the blockchain of stack. This is very impressive. Okay, you can trade anything, no registration, no hassle. You can trade any token on BNB Smart Chain in a second just by connecting your wallet. So we're gonna go ahead and connect our wallet. On the left side you will see option like connect wallet. Simply click on that and you have see a lot of different extensions: MetaMask, Coinbase, Injector, so Trust Wallet. But I already have it, the MetaMask. I'm gonna go with MetaMask. Just simply click on that. Over here you will see on the left side it's gonna be connected. So this is already did it. This is my previous MetaMask extension. Let me just click on next and connect, and there we go. So okay, approve. We're gonna go ahead, yeah, switch network, and there we go. And officially you will see this is my my wallet is over here. I connected my wallet. Now I'm gonna make my profile over here. This is a profile setup over here. You will give a lot of things over here. You will like choose your starter, Sleepy, Dolly Bob, Twinkle, Church, so a minimum of 1 subscribe. You have to first, all you have to do is to go and buy and like you need cake to go with that to set up your profile. You have to buy a cake. Something, this is basically a pancake. It seems very funny, but basically it's very good to know, like it's very impressive to go with that platform and earn a lot of money and buying, trade, and swap cryptocurrency. So you're gonna go ahead and like set profile picture, join name, set them. We're gonna do this later, but right now we're gonna check this one more time. We're gonna get in touch. Hello app project team or something like that. I connected with my MetaMask, and you will see I got $0 to collect over there. What was that? And so, and you will see option over there. This is the language option, and this is like the demi. I think it's a demi. I don't have any balance, and why this is gonna be showing me $3,808. This is a demi balance. And you will see option like BNB Smart Chain, Ethereum, and the app lot. This is basically a different cryptocurrency asset exchanges, and you can trade by using swap, limit, liquidity, pre-portals, and the bridge options. You can go with that. You can earn from pools, wins, trading competitions, lottery, and something like that. And again, you can go with the NFT. You can go overview, collection, activity, and this is how you can connect your wallet. You can choose. You can go with that platform. It's very easy to use, easy tutorial. First, you all have to do is go create your wallet. You have to add the extension by using whatever you have, MetaMask, Coinbase, and something like that. Once you're done, you will able to trade, buy, subscribe, whatever you want. You can go with that. You can go with that platform by using that type of gig. So this is how you can use that. And please like that video, and if you like that video, make sure you subscribe this channel, and I will catch you on the next video. Thank you so much.